Hi, want to know how to set up your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? So, as a first step after you have turned on your phone, this is the thing that you are going to see. And we would need to click on this gray arrow to continue. As a first step here, we would need to select the language that we would like to use on our phone. So here I'll choose the English United States, and here I'll also click increase text size so we can better see what is happening on the screen. So after we have selected the language, we would need to click on this arrow on the right edge. As a next step here, we would need to choose our region, which one is Czechia, and then click on arrow again. As a next step here, we would need to read some user agreement and also privacy policy. Then click here to confirm that we have read it, and then click on the arrow again. Now, as a next step, we are getting to ask if we would like to set up our SIM card now, but I'll choose this arrow to skip this step. Then as a next step, we are also getting suggested to connect it to a network. So I'll connect to my Wi-Fi by entering the password. And then click connect. Now, when I have successfully connected to a Wi-Fi network, we would need to click on the arrow again. And now, as you can see, we got this message which is saying that we are getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes, so let's wait a little bit. Here, as a next step, we are getting suggested to copy apps and data from our old phone if you have one, but here I'll choose don't copy because I would like to set up my phone from clean A4. So let's wait until the check-in info will end. Now, as a next step, we are also getting suggested to sign into our Google account, but I'll skip this step and I'll do it later. Here I also click skip. And as a next step here, we would need to choose which of the Google services we would like to use on our phone. So first thing that I'm going to disable here is the send usage and diagnostic data because this one is optional, but others is alright, so I'll click accept. Now, as a next step here, we would need to choose our search engine. Mine will be Google, and then next. And now we are also getting suggested to set screen lock, which can be only screen lock, fingerprint, and face unlock, but I'll click skip and do it also later. As a next step here, we are getting suggested to install some of the applications suggested from Redmi, but I'll disable all of them because I want like to not have them on my phone, and then OK. Now, as a next step here, we can see some basic settings, for example, the same send usage and diagnostic data, automatic system updates, personalized ads, so user experience program, and some more things here. After this, we would need to click on the arrow again and set our default launcher. So I would like to use the app drawer. Now we click on this arrow to continue. And now we also got the screen which is saying that we are preparing the system, so we need to wait a few more seconds. And as a last step here, we can see that our setup is complete and we are ready to rock. So by clicking on this arrow, we will enter our new Xiaomi 13C. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.